Jai Hind everyone, my topic is ASEAN. As we are aware of that unity is strength. So when there are cultural unity and the religious unities are there in a countries, they try to form a cooperation and try to build a coordination amongst themselves. So here comes the ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The countries are there which are Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Indonesia, Philippines. They have come together to form ASEAN as an organization. They work for the coordination, cooperation amongst themselves. The major thing for which the ASEAN has come, as we are aware that there is a global instability happening around the world. Almost each and every area there is instability because of wars going on there or any other reasons. So as ASEAN, they came for the trade balance or the trade cooperation amongst themselves. They are working to have a good coordination amongst themselves. They are having good cultural ties amongst themselves. Also, India is focusing on as Act East policy, because of which it is focusing on trading, having a good relation with ASEAN nations. So, ASEAN countries are working to have a very good cordial relations in terms of trade. Also, they are working to have another fields they are exploring, as they are working against the China's influence in South China Sea, against the 9-dash line which is claimed by China. So there are some issues which are being tackled by the ASEAN nations together against the major supreme powers. They hold a good position in a Malacca Strait, which is a choke point of Indian Ocean, which can impact the trade oil, trade transport going on over there. So it is very important that such organization came together which influence the other global powers which are there to hamper their coordinations, like the ASEAN nations are right now doing is against China, which try to control its influence in Indian Ocean. Also, ASEAN countries hold a very good position as they are in between Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So it is very important to have a good cordial relations among these nations. So it is necessary that they have good relations not amongst themselves only. So it is with that only India has come with the Act East policy, which is a very good initiative of India to have a good relations with such powers, which will going to help India in a long term. Thank you.